Alright, guys, there's Java here. I guess we could just move that out of the way. So today I'll be showing you how Dwight drives everyone crazy by doing that fake knuckle cracking thing. Now I can do it too. Here's how. So you take your hands like this, and then making sure that your finger is on top of that little part, then you grasp them firmly together. Then you put them up on your chin and flick your left finger down real quick, so then it will make a sound that sounds something like this. Sorry, but just so you know, it's not my fault if you get grounded from your PlayStation for 2 weeks.